Good morning, this is Paul of Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at a really cool Fiat 500L. This is a 2015 model, only 37,000 miles. Leather interior, heated seats, two-tone, like a powder blue, sky blue, almost matches the sky, with a white top, two-tone, new tires, alloy wheels, Freedom Motors conversion. Freedom Motors manual rear entry conversion, wheelchair accessible car, crossover, cool little car. Leather interior, this is the luxury edition with heated seats. Beautiful, very classy, luxurious. Here at Freedom Motors USA, we've been in business for over 30 years. And we are more than just a minivan. We have branched off over the years and experimented, and now we offer cool cars like this and crossovers, SUVs. This one's got leather navigation, a lot of headroom, got a lot of high roof, lots of headroom in here. Comes with the Q-straint straps. There's the footballs to strap the wheelchair into place. There's also an easy lock system which you can quickly lock your wheelchair into the vehicle and be on your way quicker. We also have vehicles with transfer seats where you can transfer from your wheelchair right into the driver's seat or passenger seat. It's a beautiful vehicle. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years, and we dedicate ourselves to making the lives easier to the folks that are in wheelchairs and to do it in style, not just a minivan anymore. We have Chevy Suburban, Chevy Silverados, high-end Yukons, Sierras, Toyota Siennas, Chrysler Pacificas, Caravans. We've got a lot of nice trade-ins as well. We have vehicles ranging from under $15,000 all the way up to around $80,000. This one's only $25,995, special internet price. And we offer 10-year loans as well with banks and financing options, so you get a very affordable payment. It's a beautiful vehicle. Two-tone sky blue, powder blue with a white top. Wheelchair converted, Freedom Motors USA, right here in Battle Creek, Michigan. If you're interested in this vehicle or any wheelchair accessible vehicle, please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Check out our entire inventory at freedommotors.com. Please click the subscribe button on the YouTube page. And thanks for watching my video, and have a great day.